President Meade, to present you with a check for $3,000 for homes for our troops. And this is what your money goes for, okay?
You're a man. You can talk more than that, I know.
The Build Brigade is 21st? 20th through the 22nd. We'll need people to help serve food, and any licensed construction workers. There's a lot of work that needs to be done, and I'm going to need a lot of help. And if anyone here would volunteer, I would greatly appreciate it. And thank you for having me here tonight.
Hi, I'm here with Jerry Blake, and we're at Rolling Thunder's event today, and Jerry's going to tell us a little bit about what Rolling Thunder in Evansville is all about.
Good morning. We're down here at the Coliseum, downtown Evansville. We're getting ready for our 3rd annual benefit ride for veterans. All the proceeds we get today will go towards buying food down at Weinbach at the Vet Center, putting clothes in the Vet Center. We also use it for events, for other veteran events going on around town for other troops that need it. Rolling Thunder is a POW MIA organization. We are not a motorcycle club. We're just a group of people that got together. We started this chapter 4 years ago. Right now we're at about 191 members. We're the largest chapter in the state of Indiana. There are 6 chapters in the state of Indiana. So we're 90 chapters throughout the United States. Our main goal is to publicize the information that there are still POWs and MIAs from all wars, not just from Vietnam, and that's what we want to get the information out to our community. We also have a secondary mission in helping local veterans in our area. Today, we're going to be giving a check to the Homeless for Troops. We're going to give them a check for $3,000 that's going to help a troop get their home built that they need, that may be an amputee. We have one double amputee that's going to be here today, and he just got his home. So that's what basically we're all about. We're all about veterans. And again, you don't have to be a veteran to be in our organization. You don't have to have a motorcycle. You just have to believe in veterans and want to help veterans.